Hey, this is John at Fix-A-Fence, coming to you out here in what we call a complex. This is probably one of the biggest jobs Fix-A-Fence has ever got off of, well, I guess what you call a return customer. We did a little small fence repair for him, and he's a property manager of, man, goodness, a big bunch of complexes out here in Clackamas, Oregon, here off of like 142nd and Sunnyside. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take you around and show you what's going on here. There's probably about 37 posts that really have to be removed and replaced. I think maybe like 40 now. A couple of gates, you know, and they're pretty much all little simple things like, you know, like that right there, you know, trash enclosure, broken post. There again, you know, Fix-A-Fence LLC, mending broken fences, you know, I mean, my goodness, it's written like that right all over the truck there, you know what I mean? So, boom, bam, look at that, Fix-A-Fence LLC, mending broken fences. Of course, you already know that, guys. But anyway, hey, let me keep walking down here and show you what's going on. My goodness, we've got lots of things going on. This one over here, we got, I think there's 3 posts on this one. Yeah, there's one there and a couple there, you know, so that's keeping the guys busy. We're gonna come around here, check this out here. This is there's a one there next to the tree, broken post. This guy's getting on the deck here. He's doing a good job up there in the deck, and then buddy Matt down there, the old foreman, he's getting on this line down here. Man, you know, I'll tell you what, Fix-A-Fence LLC is on the scene. We call this a complex, you know, and so don't be complex about the complex, and don't get a complex about being complex, because we are on the complex. Anyway, John at Fix-A-Fence, I just wanted to come show you guys. Oh wait, let's go across the street here. We got more coming at you over across the street. Man, I'll tell you, 37 posts. Started out at 33. Then how you doing? Started out at 33, and we went to 37. Now it's like 40. 2 more gates involved. Oh, didn't mention the handrails, you know, the handrails we had to replace, you know, and so, well, that's, you know, those right there, you know, but yeah, so, but these guys got a complex of complex. Look at these guys going after it, man, you know. And you could probably look down in there and see what they're going after. I mean, look at that. Boom, bam. Look at that. You know? And this one over here, right up under there, look at that. All the complex of pipes and everything like that. These guys got to work their ass off through this, you know. Look at that. Yeah. They already got that out, smashed up the concrete, getting after it. That's not being very complex about it, but you know, yeah, they still got this one here to go, that one there, got to replace these 2 here. They came back here and replaced a bunch of posts over here, that one there, that one there. They still got to join things together, you know, pretty much. So it's just a repair, huge repair. 37, 40 posts, you know. We come over this way too, seeing we're, you know, you went with me this far, you might as well go with me all the way. But anyway, yeah, walking over stumps in between this and that and the other thing, and we'll come over here to this last part of the complex. Pretty crazy, man. We've had a lot of things going on. So all 4 posts had to move and replace on this. Couple posts there, you know, and you know, a man's making a gate there. So yeah, you know, Fix-A-Fence LLC, mending broken fences, and this is one of the hugest jobs that Fix-A-Fence has ever gotten. I mean, my goodness, man. So, you know, if you're out there and you're thinking about starting a small business, man, don't be afraid. Just get after it. Right, Tanner?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Get after it, guys.
Get after it. Anyway, John at Fix-A-Fence, mended broken fences. Have a great day.